Hey, Sneakerhead, keep in mind, in this video, we are doing a back to school giveaway. We are trying to give back because when you're blessed,
We got to bless others.
make sure that you're subscribed, like this video, and in the comment descriptions, put your size. This shoe will be approximately a $200 giveaway. Most likely it'll be a Jordan 1. Hopefully, if you do have a preference, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. That's all you need to do. The deadline for this will be 1 August. Good luck to everyone.
Hey, good luck. Go ahead and take advantage of this because you don't get this too often. We're truly blessed and we want to bless others with a nice pair of J's on their feet.
Hey, welcome back, Sneakerheads. How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go on and give us a big thumbs up. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes. So right now we're doing something a little bit different. We just did a quick review over the app and found these for you. We're bringing you the top Jordans that are available right now. Go ahead and snatch them up before it's too late for back to school. So we're going to start off with the kids. These are all available in GS sizes, size 3 to size 7Y. Go ahead, my brother.
Yeah, the first pair of shoes we have going right now. Please do not wait to the last minute to snatch these up.
No.
There.
I said, no, don't wait.
Oh.
Wait, continue. My bad. Go ahead and continue.
We're going to start off with the first ones. Hey, don't be that parent and wait to the last minute. Right now, these shoes are available. That price will go up. Right now, they got them Jordan 1s, washed black, full sizes are available. All right. Asking price for those right now is $140. So go ahead and snatch them up.
Keep in mind, these are all available on the Hibbets app. You can go on Hibbets.com. You may even check your local Hibbets to see if they have these. But right now, just next on the list, we have the Jordan 5 Aquas. I already have a pair in my hand, so recommend these for kids. They're still available, all sizes except 7Y. But again, they may be at your local retail shop, so check your local Hibbets to see what they have in store for you. Aqua 5s, they're available for $150.
For GS sizes that are available right now on Hibbets.com. They got the Jordan 13s, the black Flint, right? I have right here, I got a pair of some 13s. Y'all do remember those, right? Hey, he got
yes, game. Sir. He got game. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Ray Allen. Y'all remember these? So right now, these are available. Gray sizes, they are available. Asking price for these is $140, right? Here where you see you got your black, that's where you'll find your gray there. You'll find their gray there. So go ahead and snatch them up. Go ahead and snatch them up because that asking price is pretty decent. He got game.
Finish it off. We have the Jordan 12 Stealth. Kind of remind me of these playoffs right here, except for where the black is. They're going to be gray. So go ahead and snatch these up for your kids. Those are available for a price of $150. I do have a full-size run available at Hibbett Sports. Check your local Hibbets to see what's available.
Yes, sir.
If you like content like this, go ahead and hit that next video right here. And like we say for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.